Imagine swimming with giant manta rays, snorkeling in crystal clear waters, relaxing by an infinity pool, and visiting one of the world's most famous beaches, all in just one day. In this video, I'll take you through the premium Nusa Penida day tour from Bali, including luxury yacht transfers, amazing snorkeling spots, delicious lunch, and the breathtaking Kelingking beach. Let's begin. Speedboat. Your journey begins. Your adventure starts with hotel pickup from selected areas in Bali. Before departure, relax at the exclusive Blue Lounge with complimentary coffee, tea, cold drinks, and pastries. Then board a premium speedboat or luxury yacht for a scenic 30-minute cruise to Nusa Penida. Keep your camera ready because the ocean views are incredible. Diving mask snorkeling adventure. Your first stop is near Lembongan Island, known for colorful coral gardens, crystal clear water, and tropical fish. Next is Point, one of Bali's best drift snorkeling locations. Glide effortlessly over beautiful reefs while keeping an eye out for sea turtles and vibrant marine life. The final snorkeling stop is Bay, famous for healthy coral reefs and calm waters. The underwater scenery here feels like a giant natural aquarium. Fork and knife with plate lunch with an infinity pool. After snorkeling, enjoy a delicious lunch at Marta Penida, featuring a stunning infinity pool overlooking the ocean. You'll also find the famous Agung Gate, one of the island's best photo spots. Relax, enjoy the views, and capture unforgettable memories. Round Pushpin Kelingking Beach. Next, visit the iconic Kelingking Beach, also known as the T-Rex Cliff. From the Viewpoint, you'll enjoy spectacular panoramic views of turquoise water, white sand, and dramatic limestone cliffs. It's one of Indonesia's most photographed destinations. Tropical fish swim with giant manta rays. Now comes the highlight of the tour, Manta Point. If conditions are right, you'll have the chance to swim alongside magnificent giant manta rays as they glide gracefully through the ocean. Since these are wild animals, sightings depend on weather and sea conditions and cannot be guaranteed. Speedboat return to Bali. After an unforgettable day, cruise back to Bali. Freshen up at the lounge before your hotel transfer and relive memories of an incredible adventure. Checkmark what's included: hotel pickup and drop-off, luxury speedboat or yacht transfer, Blue Lounge access, complimentary drinks and pastries, snorkeling equipment, professional guides, lunch, infinity pool access, land transportation on Nusa Penida. Visit to Kelingking Beach. Light bulb travel tips. Bring swimwear, a towel, change of clothes, reef-safe sunscreen, comfortable sandals, and a waterproof phone case. If you're prone to seasickness, take medication before departure. Bullseye final thoughts. This premium Nusa Penida tour combines luxury, adventure, breathtaking scenery, and world-class snorkeling into one unforgettable day. Whether you're traveling as a couple, with family, or solo, it's one of the best day trips from Bali. Loudspeaker book your tour. If you'd like to book this amazing experience, click the Viator booking link in the video description. Booking through our link is safe, secure, and helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more travel guides and amazing tours from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.